Hey guys, so we're going to make a simple Swarovski necklace right here. And these are the hearts that I'm going to be using. But for this one, I'm just going to make the purple one. Um, this is a little clip that we're going to use to put the little hole that the heart has. So it can like clip onto the necklace. And we're going to use 2 jump rings and a little lobster clasp. We're also going to use some gold-plated chain. So this is very simple. All you're going to do is get the heart and the little, like a little clasp thingy. And you're going to want to apply pressure with your fingers. Because if you use, if you use your pliers, you could actually break the heart. So I don't want to like break the little heart. So just with your fingers, you're going to apply pressure. And you want to get it nice and like tight in there. And once you have it nice and tight, you can go ahead and put it through your necklace. This is like the simplest thing to do. It's not that hard. So there we're just gonna put the chain through the heart thing. And this chain's very small, so the little jump rings that I have are a little bit thick. So you just want to open them up and be careful when you put it in because it's going to be a little hard. So you're going to try to like wiggle it around until it goes in the little hoop. Okay, like that. Now you're going to add your little clasp and you close it.